texting message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle.
Guys, you wanna know, so this is the second time around I do this video. Did the video though? I realized I never press record up so, but press record on my phone for the voice. God damn it. But anyways, hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Richie Briscoe. If you're new, I do vlogs, everyday vlogs, challenges and other stuff like that. But vlogs are mostly my focus. Like Jamaica Diaries is like a new series I'm create. I'm do like different stuff in Jamaica. Parties, well, kind of put on the parties, but going out doing other stuff and things like. Guys, because I do over the video, I'm kind of vexed because I can't believe we do the video and it was so good and I end up having to do it over. But anyways, it's carnival season. Didn't plan for go carnival, none at all. But I went to a few events. Didn't jump mass this year. Did in 2019, fire. 2024. It was good and it packed and everything, but it was too hot. Global warming, I take it to the next level. I'm sweating. It's because it's hot. Welcome to Portmore. Whew. But yeah, got a few events. Go Illuminate, I think, and then I went to Carnival itself. Carnival submission. Never jump mass. Doing it next year though, because they look bad. As I said, the only thing did mash up at the heat. But I have a few clips where you can check out from Illuminate and Jamaica Carnival if you know. Pray that if you enjoy, please like, subscribe, and share. It really does a lot. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Until then, yeah.
I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone in